Hey guys, real quick intro before the intro. Doing this because I already cut the video and I wasn't planning on putting this in here. Obviously, it's an intro. It's like a PS beforehand. Anywho, what I'm getting at is the wifey just picked herself a gmt800, and that is basically a GMC or Silverado chassis, Chevy chassis, 99 to what, 06, 07. The cat ice is the last year of it. She's actually on her way here to do an oil change, and I just so happened to record an oil change video on my truck, which is what this video is at. Mainly, I don't want to answer any questions for her. I'll make her watch the video. So if you want to do an oil change on a GMC 800, keep watching. Cue the music. Hey, welcome back to the channel. This is a little bit of a different intro, obviously. I'm on the GoPro. Gonna break up a little monotony on the old gear back here. Mainly because, well, waiting on parts. And my channel's been full of yellow gear content. So we're gonna do the right thing. Or I'm gonna do something to break it up and do an oil change in my truck. I am, let's see, carried it to about, oh, good 5,000 overdue. Not gonna lie, I think the last time I did the oil change on this thing was when I did the rear main. So last February. 9 grand in a year, that's not too bad. But anyway, not even joking. I run synthetic, really don't care so much, and decent filters. But got it idling, just warming it up. I'm gonna drop the oil. Oil filter wrench and a 15 and a drain pan and 6 quarts of oil for a 5.3 LS. That's what you need. So let me get some stuff rounded up, and then you'll see me struggle under there while I still have some daylight. So I'll be back. All right, guys, I got stuff rounded up. I think at one time I was skinny enough to fit under this thing to change oil. I really don't want to jack it up, be honest with you. Where's the pan? Oh, you're somewhere. Oh, you're back there. Okay. Let's see if we can do this. It's where are you? I don't even know what I'm aiming at. I'm just guessing, like most things I do. Oh, that's the suspension. Oh boy. This is going well. And a little more. All right. I think we're aiming at it. Oh, jeez. What did I do with the wrench? Did I bring it? Not bring it? Oh boy. This is amazing content. Sure, put it on the other side. All right. Oh. I should have got the jack, but I'm lazy. Hat, you go there. Please be a 15. I don't want to get back up. Oh, thank God I remember GM. Ow. Ooh, perfect. Nothing major on the drain plug, so that's good. The filter's up here somewhere, isn't it? I can't see. It's like right here. Yes. I remember. All right. This is very comfortable. It's draining. You might be able to see. I don't know. I'm just kind of aiming at things. But yeah, I'm gonna be bored under here for a second. Everything looks good. Oh, no, I gotta replace the tie rod end. Inboard. That's good. It's looking good under here. Everything else looks fine. We'll do oil filter. That's up in this general area. It's I think black. I can't remember. I think I put a Wix on it. Not sure. But let me get that thing out. I'll be back. Probably reset you at a different angle. All right, guys. I caved. I jacked up the truck. Ooh. Ow. You might be pointing at something now. I'm stuck again. You know, getting older sucks. Not gonna lie. Oil filter. Adapter-y thing. There we go. It wasn't that tight. I'm just... come on. Lube the ratchet. Man. Drain plug was surprisingly clean. Alright, let's put this thing back on. There we go. We'll snug that after. Do 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 do. Oh, that is nice and warm. There, drain. All right. Next, we're gonna gently slide a new filter up in here. I was running a Wix XP, yeah, for, you know, performance. And, you know, just make sure you lube the gasket with whatever remnants you have on your hand. That's what it's for. Make sure the O-ring, the original O-ring's on the bottom of the filter you just took out, and then gently throw this one into place. I know the lifelong debate, do you fill the oil filter or don't you? I do not. Yeah. Everybody can argue all you want. You don't have to. And the reason I say that, a little more tight. And the reason I say that, let me tighten that drain plug, and I'll give my dissertation on why I don't do things. You might be able to see. I don't know. Only because it feels like I'm stripping this damn thing. Tight. All right. Out. Gently place that. There we go. You go that way so I can grab you. What are those wires? I don't know. All right, what I was saying is, the reason I don't fill oil filters, number one, and like I said, you guys argue all you want in the comments. This is what I do, and I have not had a problem with it, so on and so forth. You know, obviously, if you do it your way, you probably don't have a problem with it. But what I'm getting at is the big asshole in the center of the oil filter that you fill it in, or I guarantee the way you would be filling it. That's the out. So, regardless, you're filling the out. So if you have any contamination in the oil that you're putting into the filter, it's not getting filtered, it's going injected right into your engine. Now, the reason it's not harmful, or in my brain that it's not harmful, look at every other manufacturer that's not basically a small block Chevy or, you know, a straight vertical oil filter. You have some that are upside down. How do you fill it? I don't know. Magic, sideways, 90s, so on and so forth. And Jeeps are weird. Jeeps are always weird. But if the filter is mounted in any other orientation and straight vertical with the hole on top, you can't fill it. So, yeah. Just going on that, you don't have to fill it. So, all right, let me dump 6 quarts of oil in this thing real quick, and I'll show you how to clear the check engine or change oil light, because that's been driving me bonkers. I already reset it once, so I'll be right back. Oil fill. Find. Oh shoot, where is it on my truck? I haven't done it yet. Oil. Screw it, 6 quarts, and I'll be back. All right, one other thing. Well, I'm running full synthetic 1030 in this thing. I think it calls out like 530. I don't know. It's what I got. Valvoline. But I was thinking of this also going to my rant about not filling the oil filter. I guarantee every person that tells you to fill your oil filter, not even every, a good vast majority amount of the people who tell you to pre-fill your oil filter are the same people who, I don't know, don't use a clean funnel. Or, you know, look at it and, yeah, it's clean enough. And then proceed to dump it into their car. You know, use it to fill. So, the only reason I'm saying that is because I picked up this funnel and I was going to do it. And I was like, wait a minute. Let me at least, you know, hose it out with some brake clean. Yeah, I trust Chevy more than I should with eating a bunch of stuff and going over mileage. Especially on a small block. But I digress and regress to this. Filling. And, yeah. Once we're done with this, clear the codes and fire this thing up. And I'll show you the amazing amount of time it takes to build oil pressure, which is pretty much instant. All right, guys, cap's on. Everything's good. Let me just make sure nothing's immediately dripping. Yeah, we're good. All righty. Let's see if I remember this check engine clear light or oil doobly doo light. Key. All right, key. Turn ignition, a key. Key stuff on power. Look, floor mat. I'm gonna need the gas pedal. And my truck doesn't like to cooperate. Shut up. Key on. Wait till it says something. It'll say something. Maybe. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Key off. Key on. Let's start it. Watch the oil pressure gauge. Boop. And also no check oil. Change oil light. So, yeah. Oil's in. She's circulating. Job done. Let me shut it off and we'll refire it one more time to make sure that light's clear, but we should be good. Key off. And then key on. Oil pressure immediately. No change oil light. Truck's done. And then, yeah, 95. Boop. Boop. Clear. And we'll reset the trip so I know how long it'll go before my next oil change. So, all right, that's it. Like I said, quick little thing on how to do an oil change on one of these GMT800s. I'm hoping I took everything out from under there because I'm not going to check again. I was committed to shutting the door. Anywho's, if you like this video, like always, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. If you do, I promise you, we will chit chat as always. Thanks for watching. Hopefully, see you on the next one. We'll be on the big cam. I'm not a huge fan of the GoPro. You probably noticed this.